So step 11 deals with medical emergencies, and it's real important to have this kind of stuff, these big medical kits stationed throughout the church in strategic places. Also, your security team definitely needs to know exactly where they are, and you want all your security team members, in my preference, to have some first responder knowledge. They know how to apply tourniquets, and there should be plenty of tourniquets in here. Lots of pressure dressing so that you're able to stop the bleeding. Once blood's out, you can't put it back in. Also, your medic on call is an integral part of your plan. The medic should be sitting in a reserved seat toward the rear of the sanctuary so that everyone on the security team and all the staff members know exactly where to go get them. Your communications plan for the medic would probably be just a runner that goes to them and gets them to be able to grab them wherever they need to go. This could be anything from, hey, somebody had a heart attack in the west wing of the church, or hey, there's an active killer that's loose and has shot a bunch of people. Well, now that doctor, that medic isn't going to be able to fulfill all the demand, and you may need all kinds of different people putting pressure dressings and tourniquets all over the place, right? So everyone needs to know where all the medical equipment is, where the medic on call is. Also, that medic on call, everyone should have their phone number so that they can text them in the event of emergency. That's step 11, medical emergencies, and we're finishing strong. Last one, step 12. Let's do it.